Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons, and y'all better get on your running shoes because we have an amazing money-making run glitch going on right now at Walgreens. But y'all make sure that you stay tuned until the end because I have another super easy money-making deal to share with y'all, plus some awesome clearance finds. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button and make sure that you have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. Also, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we are back in the car. Again, the audio is probably going to be terrible, so I do apologize. And if you hear any loud cars whizzing by, I'm right off the highway, so I apologize for that too. But we do have a ginormous run glitch. You guys need to put on your running shoes and get to your Walgreens ASAP because we have a huge money making glitch going on right now. All right, so either the shelves are going to be cleared or Walgreens will probably have this fixed within a couple of days. So get to your Walgreens ASAP. So in this video, I'm going to show you all 3 different ways that you can do this glitch. Plus, I'm going to share another money-making deal that I found while I was in the store. Plus, I also found some super awesome clearance finds. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. We're going to go over this first deal because this is the big deal that you definitely want to get in on, all right? So first things first is you need to open up your Walgreens app and make sure that you have 2 coupons clipped to your account. You're going to need a 2-off one for the Crest toothpaste, and then you're also going to need the 2-off one for the Oral-B toothbrushes. I'm going to pop them up there on your screen for you all. So make sure that you have those clipped to your account. Then you're going to go into your Walgreens store, and you're going to be on the lookout for the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. This one right here is working for sure. There is another Advanced Pro Health toothpaste. That one is not attaching and working with the coupon. And then we also have the Crest with Scope, which I did not try because my store only had one in stock. And I knew that this one was for sure working. So I went ahead and picked up this Crest Pro Health with Scope toothpaste. These are on sale this week for $3. And when you purchase 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. So we've got the Crest Pro Health toothpaste. Now you want to be on the lookout for the Oral-B toothbrushes. So you can pick up 2 different ones that are working with this deal. You can pick up the Oral-B Vivid Whitening Toothbrush. Hopefully I'm getting all that in the shot. The sun is literally shining straight in my eyes. Or you can pick up the Oral-B Scentsy Soft Toothbrushes. Either one will work with this deal. This is the extra soft Scentsy Soft toothbrush. This one is the soft Vivid Whitening. There's also a medium Vivid Whitening. I think that one is also working as well. So with the Oral-B toothbrushes, those are also on sale this week for $3 each. And they're on that same promotion for when you purchase 2, you're going to get back a $4 register reward. All right. So the best way to do this deal is to pick up 1 of each. But like I said, I will show you guys a couple of different ways that y'all can do this depending on what your store has in stock. Either way, there's 3 different ways that y'all can do it. They all turn out to be money-making deals. So, but your best bet is to pick up 1 of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste and 1 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. That's going to put your subtotal at $6. All right. You're going to take them up to the register, type in your phone number. Both of those coupons should come off. So that is going to bring your subtotal down to just $2. Now, I did pay the $2 out of pocket, but I do believe that you can use Walgreens cash to pay. I will double check with my friend who sent me this deal. She doesn't want to shout out or anything, so you know who you are. Thanks so much. But I will double check with her and leave that information for you in the pinned comment down below. All right, so we're paying $2 out of pocket. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, but these products are glitching and you're actually going to get back 2 register rewards. So we have a $4 manufacturer register reward and a $4 store register reward. All right, so awesome, awesome. We're already making money. All right, but this deal gets even better because then we also have an Ibotta rebate on the Oral-B toothbrushes right now. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $2 back. That is going to make your final price completely free plus an $8 money maker, y'all. Alright guys, so here is the written out breakdown. Again, I apologize for the chicken scratch. I'm doing this all in my vehicle and it's just, things are not cooperating. So anyways, there is your Oral-B and your Crest Pro Health breakdown. Again, it works out to be free plus an $8 money maker. Now, here's another way that y'all can do this deal. If you don't have the Crest Pro Health at your store, you can actually pick up 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. Again, the Vivid Whitening and the Scentsy Soft will work. Pick up 2 of those. That's going to put you at $6. Use that 2 off 1 Oral-B digital coupon. That's going to be paying $4, but you're going to get back both $4 register rewards. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $4 back, and that is going to make your final price completely free plus an $8 money maker. All right, so again, either way, you're making $8. So get out there and do this deal. Now, if you only can find the Crest Pro Health toothpaste, pick up 2 of those. Use that 2 off 1 digital coupon. That's going to be paying $4, but you're going to get back both $4 register rewards. That's going to make your final price completely free plus a $4 moneymaker. So you really cannot go wrong with this deal. Alright guys, now there is another product that we need to talk about, and that is the Revlon lip products. Alright, we have a lot on clearance right now. I found this one right here. This is Revlon Color Stay Overtime. This was on the very bottom of the little Revlon makeup area. Alright, so I'm going to pop up some pictures, but this color is All Night Fuchsia, and it is on clearance right now for $1.39. Now, I don't believe that we have any digital coupons that will work with this, but we do have an Ibotta rebate for $3 back. So if you pick up one of these, then submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $3 back. That's going to make your final price completely free plus a $1.61 moneymaker. All right. Now, there are some other Revlon products that do work with that $3 Ibotta rebate. So make sure that you guys scan, check out your store, look around whenever you guys go in to do this run glitch, because you may find another moneymaker there for you. All right. So let's take a quick look at my receipt. Now, here is where I picked up the Crest and the Revlon and the Oral-B. I did it all in one transaction. So my subtotal was $3.39, but I received all of my rewards back. So that made my final price for this transaction completely free plus an $8.61 moneymaker. So you really cannot beat it. Now, just to show you all that the 2 Oral-B toothbrush deal also works, here's my receipt on that one. The digital coupon came off no problem. I paid $5.39, but again, I threw in that Revlon in there as well. All right, submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got all of my money back, and again, completely free plus a money maker. And I'm starting off the week on a good note with some manufacturer register rewards and store register rewards. So this should be a really awesome week. All right, now speaking of awesomeness, I also received some paper spin boosters. So I did get 2 spin boosters for when you spend 15, you're going to get back 5. And then I also received a spin 40, get back 9. So we should have some really amazing Walgreens deals this week, guys. So make sure that y'all stay tuned. Now, also, again, back to some clearance finds. I found these skinny dipped almonds, a dark chocolate peanut butter. These were just 50 cents, all right? So be on the lookout for those. If your store isn't marked, you can always take these items up and have them price check it. I also found these skinny dipped cashews, also just 50 cents. And then they also had these skinny dipped almonds, also just 50 cents. And quick reminder that Walgreens Christmas clearance has went down to 80% off. So I did pick up some wrapping paper and bags and gift boxes, but those are in the back of the car. So I will either pop up a picture here on your screen or I will post that in the community tab once I get back home. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Good luck. I hope you all can get in on this run glitch. And if you do, please come back and let me know down in the comment section below. But before you go, make sure you're subscribed. Turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome run deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.